So today we're going to be looking at how you can add widgets and use widgets within macOS. So all you have to do first of all is go over here to the clock icon in the top right hand corner, just click that, or you can, if you have the trackpad, you use two fingers and just put it on the right hand side of the trackpad and just swipe across the trackpad and you'll see it come out like that. Now to edit the widgets, all you have to do is scroll down to the bottom where it says Edit Widgets. Click on that, and from here we can delete them by clicking like the minus symbol, or we can also add them. We can either search by clicking down the side or typing in what we're looking for, and there are different varieties of widgets that you can use. One that I'll show you here is the calendar widget, and as you can see here on the bottom of certain widgets there are different sizes that you can have. You can have a small, a medium, or a large like that. And simply all you have to do to add it, click the plus, and you see it moves over. And here, let's say you want your calendar back on the top where it was originally. All you have to do is hold the widget down on a click and move it back up to the top, like so. Once again, that is how you add, remove, and move around the widgets on the screen. So I'll show you again the moving. Just grab it and move it down, and that's all you do. Thanks for watching.